Hello everyone, today I'll explain you how to enter and exit Fastboot Mode on your Xiaomi Redmi A3. This mode allows you to perform various system operations and configurations. So first of all, locate your power button and your volume down and up buttons. We will need that today. So first of all, make sure to turn off your phone by pressing your power button. So hold it. Now choose power off option and give your phone a couple seconds to be powered off. Alright, after that we need to locate our power button. Once again, here it is. So press your power button and your volume down button simultaneously. So let's do this. Alright, so as you see, we entered our Fastboot mode. In this mode, you can do a lot of things. You can perform various system operations and configurations. So after you did everything, or maybe you change your mind about performing the intended task in your Fastboot mode, now you're simply to press and hold your power button until the screen turns off. This means that the device has started its restarting program. Alright. It just did. Now give your phone a few minutes to return to its normal state and boot as usual. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.